Hey, it's Adina Love here. I'm going to take you through the process of assembling your Aussie Pro Ski. Here it is. Firstly, cut all the bands off, open the box, and carefully cut off the sides. Next, remove all the components from the box and set them aside unwrapped. It's definitely recommended that you have a mate over to help you out with this process. It's definitely a lot easier. You will find two sets of Allen keys tied to the top of the column. You can remove them and carefully set the metal crossbar on the column. Stand the column over the platform and use the 4 large bolts to fasten the column to the platform. Make sure each bolt is in hand tight before tightening them all the way. This 45-degree plate and fasten it to the rear of the machine with the 4 small bolts. You will have to unscrew 2 of the screws on the column before attaching it. Now install the pipe cross bracing. You will attach with the rear pipe bracket and the 4 small screws. Once again, make sure all bolts are in and only hand tight at first. Make sure it is centered and fasten the bottom of the cross bracing with a large bolt on each side. Then go through and tighten all the screws all the way with the Allen key. Next, take the 4 small bolts and attach the right arm. Set it into place and attach one bolt followed by the next. Do not fully tighten until all bolts are hand tight first. And repeat for the left arm. Next, attach the spreader bar at the top. You will fasten by bolting from the outside of the arm going in. This is definitely much easier if you have a mate to help you hold it up. Grab the batteries and unscrew the back of the console. Pop the batteries in and close it back up. Tip the machine down and secure the 45-degree plate you installed earlier with 2 large bolts. Be sure to check all bolts and make sure they are all properly tightened throughout the whole machine. Your Aussie Pro Ski is now ready to be used.